everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope having a great day. I have an unboxing from Pandora. So it's part of the Disney 100. Are you guys collecting any of those charms? Let me know. So let's go ahead and get into it. There's 9 altogether. They have Pandora Diamond, 14 karat gold, and silver combos. So, all right, let's see what we got here. Pandora. All right. Comes in a box like this. All right, I'm supposed to have a iridescent top, so I'll need to give them a call and find out where my sleeve is, because this is all I got. Receipt, visit the website, and nothing else. All right, so I'll have to give them a call because you get a Disney 100 sleeve that goes over this box. You don't just get a box like this. All right. Okay, this is Cinderella's coach. All right. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's fairly good size. I was really surprised. All right. There we go. Pretty cool. And I will put a picture on Instagram too, so make sure you follow me at Susan Senior Style, and I have Senior Style spelled out. And there's the 14 karat gold. And it's so little that you have to kind of hang on to it. But yeah, it's bigger than I thought, basically. You just slide it in there and away you go. So that is number 2. Okay. All right, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's doing well. Are you collecting any of the Disney 100 items from any collection? That would be cool to know. So let me know in the comments below. Any requests, let me know. And like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a really great giveaway. So definitely subscribe. That's all you got to do. All right. Thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.